다 되는데 까만 거유 덴베 선제 반대 주숨 개봐. 지된도 고담네. 다 롱어 구제 로구제 시불 코에 규제 점링 카스칼이야. 송지 쇼예베 낭생 근데 야 게사 딜리사베 나로라 에는 아주 상원데 렌돈 좀네 아니 규제 송지차 고급 상무들이 충분해 드레인드 안데인데 니만니베 니모들이야 아주 organization 그나저네 저와 제반나신 예외에다 마 speech 그렇게写过来 근데 담봉고면서 황리야 참말로야 참 진짜시들이 쉬었다 안다나시 참말로야 다들인 크리스마스 인주산에 크리스마스 트러블 용배 민두슈
Also, in Christmas Eve, right?
좋아
Wow.
today
Christmas Eve, Christmas Eve. Wow. Today, we are continuing our commemoration of the 900-year anniversary of the birth in this world of the glorious Jusum Khyentse, the founder of the Karmakagyu lineage. Actually, these commemorations have been underway over the past couple of years, and this occasion marks the portion of those commemorations that is occurring in Delhi, the capital of the noble land of India. I'm very happy that we have this wonderful opportunity to gather here in this way for this purpose. And in response to the wishes expressed by the organizers of this event, today is the day in which I will be making a few remarks. And so, to begin things, I'd like to once again say Tashi Delek to you all and welcome you here. And since today is Christmas Eve Day, I'd like to wish you all a Merry Christmas.
chair this is strong right
Hola, so.
this is a small chair wow 다들이야 아주 이 topic 다 가지고 송출 topic 디 나두기 싫었다 팅두기 점님 ancient wisdom in modern world
Lasso.
다들 이제 시래샤 다 가르쳐 들려야 또이네 참에 버지 나 유연게 참에 싱그레 네 preparations to 윤시라랑 지게 오면 preparation 제 구글에서 내가 접어든데 preparation 제 구글에서 막 무시 또이네 preparation 디 아니 당봉에 이제 preparation 전에야 제마 뭐였다 시에렌주산에야 디지기야 the environment the change 차자 아니 그 plan the change 차도도
라서
드린주산에 미세의 preparation 제요 말에 드린주산다 content 좀 아시아래 드린주산에 기란서야 어다 그에 content 시에를 삼는지 삼려나 저지 나나 약속해서
라서
제가 참선 계절을 직시야 드레즈리아 신다 지시 topic
라서
change를 차나 안겨줘야 돼 가르쳐서 소소로 지금 그러고
라서
드레면 비슷 안 보내 아다 그에 간종만 주시래
라서
no rule
라서
jumping
라서
드레즈 신주산에 겨주디 투섭시에 약속해서
라서 Those of you who are familiar with my style know that I don't usually prepare my talks. I have this custom of simply saying whatever comes to mind whenever I have to speak. But a few friends of mine over the years have continually been encouraging me to prepare more and more. They say that it would be better if I were to prepare a structure for each of my talks or speeches. And so I try to follow their suggestion and prepare some more for my talks. But what I always find happens is that once I get in the situation of the talk itself, the environment's already different from the one in which I was preparing, and that makes my preparations change as well. So no matter how much preparation I do, I always end up just saying whatever comes to mind anyway. And so that's what I'm going to do today. I'm just going to say whatever comes to mind. And you should be adaptable to this. If you thought that I was going to teach on a special topic or series of topics, then you might be disconcerted or confused if I jumped from topic to topic in a rather haphazard fashion. So therefore, it's good to just let you know, give you a heads up that I'm going to be jumping from topic to topic in a haphazard fashion, and that there are no rules for the structure of my talk. I think if we just laid that out as our mutual understanding at the beginning, that would be best.
다들인디 투젠디 가쇼다 celebration 디 감마바드 자베여비 인두산에 다 당봉년이야 감마바드 자베여비 슈비나
라서
다들이야 다 감마비 군진 당볼리 다 뒤숨 캠바데 감마비 군진 당볼리야 아니 가쇼야 가서 문제 쇼야래 다 이네 간다 뒤숨 캠바 코랑 아니 제 감보베게다 규번 생긴 로마 숨여베 나네 직차디야래
라서
제 감보바데 밀레베 로마 니마단 나와도 니여베 나네다 니마도 보사디 저거다 니마도 나와도 보사디 저다 제바칠레기 차네 제바칠레 지중 차네 좀 시행문조
라서
다 제자 밀레베데 퍼지 참에 킹그레 성도 제자 밀레베디 그 내조기 원주 밀레베들이야 로마 조니여베 나네 지디 는 감보바레 감보베다 로마 규번생게 로마 숨여베 나네 지디 뒤숨께 붙여야래 뒤숨 캠바공 난 당보 보란다 나주지 잡아 규만시래 잡아 공 감을 총치 이스트 티베트 말베
라레
감을 총치 아니 감내야 아니 위장내야 가서지 퇴삼 난가페 디네진베 제 감보번 제네 제 감보베 총네 담화 슈체 아니 디 냠슬랑 아다디 냠슬랑 디 드가스 지 네 웬발이야 로망보 다 로중니스데 곰견체 주바 냠레 나네 공의 첨부 견체 다 담아들려야지 주베 냠도 상부총
라소?
아니 엔타나신 까마감상기 다 덴베 수연젠 다 덴사망보다 요래
라소?
다들이 드제 비세 다 이내야 까마부터 숨캠바 들려야 코란 때 가르치지 퍼블릭 서머베 디지 참에 까마바사디 티캅리아 퍼블릭 토네 까마버데 제 바지 슈메브자 코라 뒤숨캠바 사와마도베 까마바레스 슈야 메브자
라소?
다디 secret names 아르시다
라소?
아주야지 상아 나로리야지 민망보시죠봐 제가 안디난지 지도와야지 가셔다지 당난다 저거요 봐 타고 나와
라소?
이제 토네야지 까마버스 천여비지냐 다 public 이제 토네야 용자가 토네지 까마버스 제제 무슨 대화함에 배수 진짜
라소? Since our celebrations here are connected, of course, to the lineage of the Gyalwang Karmapa, I thought it would be appropriate for me to say a few things about Gyalwang Karmapa. As we know, the first incarnation in the line of Karmapas was Tusum Khenpa. Tusum Khenpa himself was a heart student of the Lord Gampopa, and he held the lineage of the master Gampopa and was one of 3 heart disciples who held Gampopa's lineage. And if we take one step even further back, we can see that Gampopa was a heart disciple of Milarepa, the lord of yogis from the whole of Tibet. Milarepa had 2 main heart disciples. They were known as the sun and moon disciples. And these analogies are given to indicate a degree of carrying or accomplishing the enlightened activity of Milarepa, the lord of yogis. And so from among these 2, the sun and moon, Gampopa was the sun-like disciple of Milarepa. So Gampopa, in turn, as we said before, had 3 heart disciples. Tusum Khenpa was one of these. He was born in the region of Kham in eastern Tibet, and he became a monk, and later in his life traveled to central Tibet in order to engage in hearing and contemplation of the Dharma. It was in central Tibet that he met the Lord Gampopa and received many spiritual instructions from him, and then put them into practice. And in terms of putting these spiritual instructions into practice, he did not do so in a casual manner, but rather devoted himself very intensely and wholeheartedly to practicing Gampopa's instructions, spending 12 years in retreat and undertaking great hardships in order to practice these instructions. In the end, he achieved the result of accomplishment and gave birth to many wondrous experiences and realizations. It was in this way that Tusum Khenpa came to found the Karmakagyu tradition. And part of his enlightened activity was that he established many monasteries and seats of the Karmakagyu lineage all over Tibet. One interesting thing about Dusum Khenpa that you may not be aware of was that in terms of his public persona and the way that he was known to the public, he was only known as Dusum Khenpa and was not known to the public as the Karmapa. It seems that the Karmapa at his time was more of a secret name. Like we're familiar with the notion these days of people receiving secret names in the context of Vajrayana practice. So I think, judging from what we know now, that we can say that Karmapa at the time of Dusum Khenpa was in fact a secret name that had a special connection and meaning in relation to the principle of sacred outlook or pure perception. And so the title or name Karmapa was not really known to the wider public at this time.
Ta Karmapa kunti ba ta Karmapa kunti ba Karmapa sine ene Karmapa sa chen da yongja su kyurne an dine mutu ne da Karmapa kunti te da da ba ji juru pa da da Karmapa chen xie ne roye te nza ju da jube ku gyuma shep chungro ba
Lasso?
da delia da jog da ji are jog
Lasso?
da jog ra ni ne da jog ra ji da Karmapa ane kunti 당보디 아시 가서 그냥 소리야 디 프로그램 지도와
Lao.
대충 지도와 디난 지기래 Karmapa kunti 당보디 not that handsome
Lasso.
quite ugly summer with that 제가 지 세르르 지리야 안베 뷰 동바를 줄 알았어
Lasso.
There's some monkey
Lasso.
face 제가 Dusum Khenpa ene kunja shingdu san azu ane biulia biu dongbalia deje ne so
Lasso.
Dusum Khenpa dongodi ta dyunji Dusum Khenpa jidang ma sing azu phebe lamadan chaju samten de ku shingdu san chamar jawon jawor jire da
Lao.
ta ji changsen da chagdab dan dizue gi thone ta jin jese gya ma do ji di dongba samar face de ne thone an din jabe ya di genesis sa ya ma 강강로 잡으르지 안제 라마 디즈로 되나 시래 이내 Dusum Khenpa 시에데 응을세 되고 싶지 않고 가라서는 배 신나도 문자지 monkey face 인자
Lasso.
하고 군자 망보 예비네 군자 자사스 예비네 디 Dusum Khenpares 빠진 을 신도래 제가 다 카시했잖아 루규 생긴 카시했잖아
Lasso.
some storyteller
Lasso.
sana and 공 충충급이야 Dusum Khenpa 충충급이야 디 yours girlfriend
Lasso.
가서 정말죠
Lasso. Lokatsu chung sene.
다 충충선은 저다 로드 마시
Lasso. Lasso.
안에 디두산 다디 혼디스 가셔 제버시라면서 유샤면로디
Lasso.
바지 유신서디 girlfriend 유시면로
Lasso.
다 유시레 사르조리 안다는 신양 미신다지 냠도 침버렸어
Lasso.
미신다지 냠도 친두산 constant pump
Lasso.
depression something
Heartbroken.
heartbroken
Lao.
heartbroken chane anyway two jabres two
Lasso.
the ancient time the black magic
Lasso.
this as about this
Lasso.
two gemne and midi se jares midi
Lasso.
ah bajo midi jarwa
Lasso.
midi seja. Ti midi sene, di jele ta kong karso. Ta gyobar chambo gene.
Lasso.
And the rub the chung, and the karte jabres.
Lasso.
There's some storytellers.
Lasso.
The yongda the tugun yomada.
Oh, lasso.
Kashe the shen to yore.
Lasso.
Well, the jet that mean to stand. Ta kanda ta di
Lasso. There are some alternate versions of the life story of Dusim Khenpa. And in some of these more detailed and nuanced histories, there are some stories that weren't included in the standard version of Dusim Khenpa's biography. And one of these stories, actually, I should rewind a little bit. Yeah, I'm going to rewind a little bit and join up with that in a moment. So, to begin again fresh, the second Karmapa was named Karmapakshi. And it was during the time of Karmapakshi that the name Karmapa became known to the broader public. And ever since that time, the figures who have held this lineage have been widely known, widely renowned as the Karmapa. And this lineage of individuals then continued in an uninterrupted manner from that time onward, performing the benefit of sentient beings. So now we can join back up with the Dusim Khenpa story, the non-standard, coming from the non-standard version of his biography. So some historians have said that there's this interesting story about Dusim Khenpa, and it's connected to the fact that he was not that handsome of a person, apparently. Actually, Dusim Khenpa was said to have a face that resembled a monkey, kind of like a monkey-like face. And therefore, when we were constructing a statue of Dusim Khenpa, we said that we were going to use a monkey face as the basis of the statue. And this really identified Dusim Khenpa very clearly. In fact, when you see a Dusim Khenpa statue, you know that it's different from all other statues because of the face. Dusim Khenpa's unique face, which isn't really all that handsome, conventionally speaking. This is a unique feature because in most of Tibetan Buddhist statues and iconography, the faces of the various figures are basically the same. They wear different clothes and they have different hand implements. Their body might be different colors, but in terms of the face, they don't really have unique faces that identify themselves as that particular figure in the lineage or what have you. For example, we can't clearly bring to mind what is the face of Avalokiteshvara and how is that face different from the face of Manjushri. Basically, the deities are depicted in a very similar way in terms of their face. But from among 100 statues, if you saw the statue of Dusim Khenpa, just by its face, you would clearly know that it was him, because he's the one with the monkey face. So there are some storytellers through history that say that actually the way that Dusim Khenpa came to the Dharma was somewhat unique. It's said that when he was young, that he had a girlfriend, but perhaps because of his being a little bit deficient in the good looks department, his girlfriend dumped him, unfortunately. And as a result of that, he became very heartbroken. And that heartbroken solidified into... Oh, yes. Okay. All is good. And so he became very heartbroken, but that heartbrokenness solidified into anger when he discovered that the girlfriend who had dumped him went off with another boy. So he really became angry about this, and these were ancient times when more people knew things like black magic. So he actually cast a spell on this other boy that his ex-girlfriend ran away with and killed this boy, it is said in some versions of his life story. And it's said that after he killed this boy through black magic, he came to feel a very intense, heartfelt remorse for his action of killing. And due to that remorse, he gave birth to renunciation and left home, becoming a monastic practitioner. So that's, again, this story doesn't come from the standard biography of Dusum Khenpa, but it is asserted by some historians.
자산다 까먹을 뭐 쳐버려. 까먹을 주로봐도 쳐버려. 딱 가시 좋아했지. 딱 교랑 가지 봐스. 다지 까먹을 주진비 미르 쳐빈 두산. 그지 교랑 가지 봐서데 그 좋아 영시래. 세상에 나다 지 까먹변 제베 걸로 또 시하고 만들어서
But in any case, can you hear me?
Yes.
But in any case, the first Karmapa, Dusum Khenpa, founded this lineage of individuals who performed the benefit of sentient beings in an uninterrupted manner, all the way through to the time of the 16th Karmapa. Now, some people ask me, well, are you like that? This lineage of enlightened masters continued up through to the time of the 16th Karmapa, and you're supposed to be the 17th, so what are you like? Are you just like all of those masters? That is a question that could arise in people's minds, and so therefore I thought it would be good for me to say a little bit about the connection between me and Karmapa.
Tanga guess the very remote place.
That's all?
Lungo ku yorche. Jeza kada no development, no sort of pajita kang ngazu logic nan but chiri tries candy
Lasso?
candy chiri la candy thing is what don't want
Lasso?
아지를 디두산에
Ice cream?
not ice cream.
Lasso?
ice cream 근육에 또 지리디 리카셰지 인기다.
Lasso?
Just some types of
Lao.
cherry.
Lasso?
제장 딱한다 롱버 구겨들이 지리야 개브레 당에 너무도 상월로지 나바상게 비출이야 딘두시다요 family
Lasso?
나바상게 비출이 딘두시다요 딱한다 알로 듄게 봐도 다 기두산의 징어 가서 뭐 사르베 때 중으로 사도 수단 가서 하고 메다
Lasso?
근데 중에 딱한다 로딩 봐도 가서다 포율 대브레 지단다 규머르체
Lasso?
규머르체 지 레레사르 중물에 다지고 미미세지 레사르 중물에디 이네 미세 수레사메지
Lasso?
다 데르비세 대브레 에 로딩 거리야 에는 까마버레 증문지 챵브레 딱 간다양 니 다디디 용화 창물로 very accidentally somewhere accident 루브르도 충분하죠.
Lasso?
제자디 저리 제샤바 개요만에 녜 발라다 아말라게 저리 제샤바 개요만에 지까마베 레삼바르 딘지 고주 3년 나래 지 제뉴메스 템프마르바
Lasso.
very respect yue zang.
Lasso.
De nge bu kama means je chen pyo ge ma ne. An da na se pe na ngar sin ta bu di du sa ne very young. De du sa ne. Ta ris ke ya ma ne. An je da lu bu de je ya. An de yo rang kama ba res. An de ne ya go me go chu go ma ya. Qi. An de ne ba mo du ji lo zhong qian. De jie ble. Cha sang da nga kama ba ya de ji nge ji ka shuo da ji kama ba yin ba be cha ji cha zang qie qie. An nge kama ba yin qie. Nga rang ngwe ne ngu ji qie xiao ske ma re. Da de ge de sang ma lo very suddenly.
Lasso.
Da de ne chung ba xie.
I was born in a very remote place in Tibet. It wasn't a place that was developed at all. To give you an example of how undeveloped this place was, around the time when I was young, the people in this village would only receive candy once a year. So that was basically the level of access that this village had to modern phenomena. But I was born into a family that was very devoutly Buddhist, a family that had strong faith and devotion toward the Buddha Dharma. And my life continued in this way, in a more or less normal way, for the first 7 years, until I turned 7. Now, there were some stories around my birth saying that some kinds of wondrous or miraculous signs arose at the time of my birth, but I was never told about that, so I didn't know anything about it. And furthermore, my parents and the people around my family might have had the impression that I was some type of special person, but they didn't know exactly which special person. And so the recognition of the Karmapa, of myself as Karmapa, was something that happened really all of a sudden, and it was something that none of us were ready for. My parents were not ready for it, and I was not ready for it. And even if my parents thought I was a special child, they wouldn't dare to think that I was the Karmapa. They were very humble people, very devoted to Buddhism, so they would never hold a thought so arrogant as to think that my child is the Karmapa. So basically it was a very sudden occurrence for all of us when I was recognized at the age of 7 as the Karmapa. It was something that happened all of a sudden, and then I was taken to Turpu Monastery, where I engaged in studies. And so really it wasn't the case that this taking on of the identity of Karmapa was something that I had all planned and ready. It was not like that at all.
제자다 참에 신심이지. 제자다 지당 별이야. 지당 라마 첨부. 안디나는 지 까마바 세주산데. 지 상계 응원을 좀 드리면 두시에 치기하래.
맞아.
제자다 상계 인두산에. 안데 지당 밀레 가셔야지. 지당 수수응원에 try my best.
맞아.
치기하래. 곧다 상계 레스 레두산다 걸 타르치게요 말아. 야, 뭐 단도 텔레 망자 제거레스.
맞아.
그래서 두산에 안다 가셔야지. 지 sometime 안에 가셔야. I also feel tired. 가서나 다 지수수 간투도를 치야래. 다 이내 수수 I myself consider just human being. The understand that human being it's a sort of limitation. Capacity. There's just a limitation in that. And it social jambale has chetu manama. That in a misu in the sangama, that kamabares, that you are being yares. Jaza and be shivichi kashu that sambale hagachi chawres. Then the Jawachi in Dusane. Sometimes I'm also feel tired.
That's it.
And honestly, feel a little bit of pressure. That is
As we know, the Tibetan people have historically placed a great deal of hope and expectations in the highest level of reincarnated lamas. With regard to the Karmapa, this is someone who many Tibetan people have traditionally viewed as a Buddha in person. So in terms of that, how that relates to who I am as a person, all I can do is try my best. But if you're speaking about a Buddha in person, that's really something that's limitless. If someone is a fully enlightened Buddha, then what they're capable of is limitless. But on the other hand, I'm just a human being. So I try my best, I try to do the best that I can, but if sometimes the people who expect me to behave like a Buddha in person always want me to do more and more and more. And that's not always possible. So sometimes I feel a little bit tired because I'm aware of the fact that I'm simply a human being, and all human beings have limited capacity. It's impossible for us to do more than we're capable of doing. And so when people expect me to do more than what I'm capable of doing, it sometimes makes me feel tired, and I feel a little bit of pressure because of that.
Tadine Pelia, that Lord Juice Debre, Lord, that Pelsi to Santa Sugomalian, John. That the name Jagal Sule, that the chapter. That Lon is Zeru Sinsare.
That's all?
Long under Lon is Zeru in because sometimes the Pebets Dantida, Tigets Dant near.
That's all.
Jazan did the Lord Shaman and Guard,
That's all?
Tigets Dant, Zisha.
That's all?
And then I did. Pebets Dant, the Lon is the Dunesman. Ah, the ine Miss Locas letters and Lon is Zeru inside.
That's all?
I mean, it didn't go our state. Jazan Takana Kashwe going through lots of troubles, lots of challenges.
That's all?
Takanda Dripshe. They need some Pentinsan, the Shen on the yard, Tinsan, the 21st century. People think the Kashwe freedom, someone of that rise. The freedom to catch me to the wa.
That's all?
Jazan and Kashig and the Kashwe that the Nitswana on the user, Kashib and the Kashwe. Some reincarnation. Tukukashi.
That's all?
Nitswana Kasu came into Grants of the Kashi human rights Mendoza.
That's all?
The Chundune and the Jurassic race love and the answer get and the Sama Chechu and the preparation Kayamara.
That's all?
And the new channel go some of the Chechu she designed the force the Chechu Majin Tigmata, Jurana the Trukures. The name is Majin Tigmata, the Kangalo, and the Kashura Chechu to Sana. Some reincarnation Trukus think it's no right,
That's all?
no freedom.
That's all?
다 세상 나를 땅 알아들을 참비나 땅에 지당 알강에 망보 채브래 버지다 죽으신다 some not like other young reincarnations.
That's all?
But I'm still think that the analia did the jikashwe. So come by Inamina, then Aranga Haku Mendoza. They have go to Yakala Habarabata.
That's all?
nge kewa koma sui ta shedwa kala kapshare ta khanda kama ba yine jando mine jando shira kebas kemindo I think I consider that kama ba imbaruchi kogab chitayabdi it's sort of opportunity
Lasso?
can serve many peoples samarabatachi ji simje mangbojilia pendo cheagi kogabruchi 상부를 도 상부지 르비지 통성 고급디 중발의 때에 소소하게 로종 못 해제 이 심전이야 지 자와차다 심전 생기 전주야디 개심이 봐 심전 생기 대화도 동해서야디 아주 삼해지 아주 삼해삼 딱하다 자심이 봐 나들이지 모르르 상부 총성 되는 주사 될 때네 although it's lots of difficulties, I consider this is sort of opportunity.
Lasso?
The Hindustan and its social and mutuine, Karsuji can't do ruji, Karsu Chetuna Sabarji. But sometimes, young woman and Lava Chonson, sometimes that Pento Simjin she doing Gashamboji Drugo some. 다 이내디 현대 가슴을 주고 삼배 아니 지 저와르디 남도 만조 인두스탄에 이제 잠서지 다 섬전의 현대 저와 삼이네 대 다다르 제도민도 이내 인두스탄다 초스게민도 삼사르지 정도와
Lasso?
다 이내야 지 소소 expectation 디마틱 충으로지 따지
Lasso?
아다 섬전 현래야 현대 가슴보지 개 제모토네 소수 심지에 시안라베 자와 당 심구르여베 체체 에네 니마르리신도베 초토베 종이미나 제체나 에네 심지에 신다티즈 지 저불린디 토알이야 나래야 지 심구르 챙게 자와 유된게 더 미치 유앙 소소르지 드리지게 심레 심소용하르지 용거로와 드린디스 다 딘데지 종네 저거도 다 현대 전부 뭐 종네 심소 당하르지 종네 저것도 성성스럽다. 이르지. 간다. 딱 간다 게 가르쳐 왔으면서나. 단 저기 opportunity 지제나 그냥 상로려야지. 용거래성도. 노매서 지나도 까마버려 인사나 마스네. 봐.
Lasso?
땅에 랍사 그냥서 언디비 디인데 오딘 상로로 까마버려서는 괜찮을지도가.
Lasso?
데 더디 민유에 기스 까마래. 이래야 겨울에디 고급디 상로리 심지 현대 라버지 주투야 고급디 은 바지 상로리야 용시버를 지레성도 되는 인두산에 다당 아주 상로지 미르데 지 톱네 지그 상해 랑도 제시베 내금들이야 아주 상해 랑도 차데 소수 게르기 케벤지부 토 배주마담 체제 심지 가지지 장망와 가지지 야채와 드리지 체도 하나 랑도르지 랑도르 라네 다르투브 총이미나 하나 아주 미즈데 된다 데바 용거래라 아니 바지지 까마바스두자 지 상게 칠레 주위 있어가래 상게 칠레 주주태야 텔레 하버르지게 민도선사로도 드네 인두스탄에 된기 차네 그냥 상로지 까마바 저야래 드네 자와 드네지 제투나
Lasso?
드네지 제다 제상 얘기 다 프레셔도 그냥 상로 시에 제시다
Lasso?
that it's not my individual job, it's
Lasso.
the job of everybody's.
Lasso?
Yeah.
And then I stayed in Turpu Monastery for about 10 years. And then after that, of course, I came to India, and now I'm 26. Or
No, 26.
yeah.
25th. 26.
27 Pepe Titangla 27 years.
Okay.
Chike Titangla.
No problem.
지게지
I prefer younger one.
지게지 당나 25 rei.
No,
Oh, that's 26.
26.
Lao.
Tibetan, I think 27.
Okay.
We're not sure.
So there's this tricky thing about the difference between the Tibetan way of counting years and the Western way of counting years, and the Tibetan is always 1 year higher. So I like to go with the lower figure, and therefore, when people ask me how old I am, I always say that I'm 26. In terms of my experience of being someone who is identified as the Karmapa, I've gone through a lot of troubles and hardships and challenges. And actually, sometimes in the context of 21st century dialogues about freedom, there are people who have said that they feel that tulkus, reincarnate lamas, aren't accorded their full human rights. They say that they are not accorded all of their freedoms as a human being because they're forced to be this particular person, they're forced to take on this particular role, and they can't follow their own personal dreams. So that there are some people who have said this, and some young tulkus who have said this as well about themselves, that they feel that they're not given all of their personal freedoms that they deserve as a human being. But from my own personal perspective, I have really, I think, gone through a lot of hardships, probably more than other tulkus or reincarnate lamas have. And this really doesn't have to do with whether or not I consider myself the Karmapa. It's impossible for me to know whether I'm the Karmapa or not. It is generally very difficult to know who you were in your last lifetime. So for me, whether I'm the Karmapa or not makes no difference. I simply regard the opportunity that I have right now as a positive, precious opportunity to serve many people. Through the situation that I'm in now, I have a chance to extend love, care, and benefit to many sentient beings, to help others. So rather than getting caught up about whether I'm the Karmapa or not, I see the situation I'm in as an opportunity to take the happiness and welfare of others as my highest priority. And I've been able in this way to really value the happiness of others and care about the sufferings that other people and sentient beings go through. So really I consider this an opportunity, and in the future I hope to continue to use this opportunity to the greatest extent possible to bring benefit to others. But of course, sometimes this involves disappointment. Sometimes I think of very vast schemes of benefiting sentient beings, and things don't go the way that I planned, or my hopes aren't accomplished in the way that I had set out to accomplish them. When that happens, I find the most skillful thing to do sometimes is just reduce your expectations, lower your expectations, have more simple goals for benefiting others that you can then be contented with. So instead of coming up with some vast scheme to benefit a really extensive number of sentient beings, then sometimes I just simplify my aspiration and say, I'm just going to care about others. I'm just going to extend my love to others so that other beings in the world can at least think to themselves, there's one person in this world who cares about me. So in that way, even if I'm not able to accomplish something magnificent and grand, I will at least be able to continue extending my love to others and making a meaningful connection of kindness and care with others. This is the way I view this opportunity that I have. And from that perspective, I think that all of you have a similar opportunity. It would be very strange of me if I were to declare that all of you are now the Karmapa. So the opportunity that you have doesn't have exactly the same shape and name as the opportunity that I have. But nevertheless, I think that your opportunity to help the world and help other sentient beings is very similar to the opportunity that I have. We all have the precious support of a human body and the precious faculty of being able to discern what is harmful from what is beneficial, what is to be adopted from what is to be rejected. We all have, therefore, because we have this support of a human body and this discernment between what is to be adopted and what is to be rejected, we all have the opportunity to benefit a great number of sentient beings in a very vast way if we really bring this opportunity into practice, if we put it into practice. And if we do that, all of us will lead a good and meaningful life. So really, when it comes to the way I see the opportunity of being identified as the Karmapa, it's nothing other than an opportunity to serve others. So if we set the name aside, we can see that in true reality, you are the Karmapa too, all of you. It's not just my individual responsibility to be the Karmapa. Helping the world, helping others is the responsibility of all of us.
다 제장 다 까마버 군진 다 가르쳐야 돼. 당분에 주주봐도 딱 한다 11th century네 다다봐도 25th century 다다봐도 막 가르쳐야지 균마셔봐 영화 그 가르쳐 basic energies라는다도 basic force 그래 가서 다 liberty
맞아?
the really is the 가르쳐야지 심지어야 자와되이면자 심지어 저 르면도 자와 가르쳐야지 겨와지기 제수송화 자마인바 난 디기 지 로마단 디기 겨와 양내양도 셰셰 안 다담질이야 아니 지 토기 가르 제외 마보 제제 아니 양내양도 벤딱 하다지 주변 구지당 전수선 봤어야디 심지어 생게 된도 아니 지 코알이야 겨와 양내양도 셰지 폐기하래 제자 딱 하다 다 이내 띵 아주 지당 심지어 패배하고요 근데
맞아?
전주선배 이면 아주 하고 오네요. 근데 이제 아주 디나로리야. 강마 디나로지 전주선배 배 망고 유지의 성도. แต่얘네들 전주선배 인식 하고 오면.
맞아?
แต่얘네들 까마베지 제베 가서 고랑 투모 모임베 캐주얼을 지 가르도잖아. 지 주베고 문진 체제. 네 전주선배 네 이겨와 니레 제제. 아니 무엇인지 딱 한다지 심지어야 펜버 중간기 기부 담바디서 맞소지 규마제부 중개협에 대해서 하고 와야지 딱가마 까마베마 가서 스타트를 나가 이 민주산에 또 디규전 때네 내가 가서다 전주선 심지어의 돈도 이 겨와신 폐기협이 지 세브르 샤바
맞아?
드리 딱 되지 심지어 도 겨와 안에 시야도 자외기 지금 뉴베르도 가르잖아. 니지. 다지 심지어 탐지지 대화를 건도다 동해 천도기. 다들 이제 로지여면 비지여 인도. 다 디지부도 자마르다 로지여면 뭐래다. 저거. 안다 로지여면 비지여 인도산에 That's what the teen new dance, young Yabim.
Lasso.
That the Nijin to sign Jimmy and Song. Then G, changes somebody Papa G. Carjota G. Giawala Rawan Toba. But the name mean being there. G. Yanji changes about socket in Jenny. When a Chamni Jibe, German may be good together. Something saying to Ando G. Malam Labochi Toptongan, did it mean? Quay, and Yanni and the Giawa Shen is something to chat over something.
Lasso.
The Jimmy changes some Papa the Nijin in Guas can you give us the Malam get top down. And Anna she Zewe top ten dance, and young to G. Garju, Simjin Shenlea, Pantong Gang, and the Gibu Tamatindelia, Kurche, and the Jagatonage Simjin Center, Chatway, every imre.
Lasso.
That the need to some Gaza of the Quato de Arsana, and Anatole, Munetranic, Simjin Shen, Jeshin, Pambe, Zawa, Mama, German, but you are my Telia 2 years.
Lasso. Nama the Saturday nang.
Saturday it's something like Woman never saw.
Oh lasso. Saturday. Oh lasso. Lasso. As I mentioned before, this lineage of Karmapas has continued in an unbroken way from the 11th century through the 21st century, from the first Karmapa through the 16th Karmapa. And the basic energy or force that has been the engine of all of this activity is love for sentient beings. The basic energy that has propelled the Karmapa incarnations and continued this lineage is the love that refuses to give up on any sentient being. It is this love, in general, that causes all bodhisattvas to take birth in samsara again and again in order to benefit others, to benefit sentient beings. Some bodhisattvas don't know they're bodhisattvas. I think that in this very room
No.
Mishengi. Olaso. Hakogimaris.
Can't recognize.
Olaso. Some bodhisattvas are not recognized as bodhisattvas. They are not known to be bodhisattvas. I think in this very room there are probably many bodhisattvas, but we can't identify them. It's not possible for us to clearly know who the bodhisattvas in this room are. The distinction with regard to the Karmapa lineage is that the Karmapas have always been able to clearly identify the form of their next birth. Like to clearly make a statement, I'm going to be born in this form with this name and so forth. And in that way, others have been able to clearly identify the Karmapa as a bodhisattva who has come again and again into samsara in order to benefit other sentient beings. Tene di satu nangken mares karen sena shen la pangbe tsewa di tene changjup senbegu chakyo. It's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Maybe I will.
Okay.
Maybe you say other things.
Yes.
Okay.
But that's basically the only distinction with regard to the Karmapa. The basic energy is the same for all bodhisattvas and all who value the welfare of others. It is this love that cares for others that causes us to return again and again to samsara. It's just the case, in the case of the Karmapa, the identification of the one particular individual is very clear. So again, the real root of what causes us to return again and again to samsara is love or compassion, the wish to establish others in happiness, the wish to liberate others from suffering. And when we have this genuine wish in our heart, in an uncontrived way, then any of us can be like the bodhisattvas. I think that if we have a genuine wish in our heart to help others, to establish them in happiness and free them from suffering, then we will be able to return again and again to samsara in order to perform the benefit of beings. I think that it's not absolutely mandatory that we become a bodhisattva or a noble being in order to do this. I think that if we have love, this genuine, uncontrived love in our heart, then that will be enough to bring us back to samsara for the benefit of others, again and again. And through that, eventually we will transform into a noble being, to be able to benefit others in that way. But we don't necessarily need to be a bodhisattva who has attained mastery over rebirth and mastery over aspirations and things like this. So really the root of all of this possibility of returning to samsara again and again to benefit others is a true heart of caring for, cherishing, and valuing other sentient beings.
Okay. 전에 간다. 재상 아주 가져다지. 참바된 인지. 다 드리슬람 좀 좋다지. 다 대한 지금 참니 지사데 다 마시데 상매지 가수지 상매 과대야 다 지금 참니 지사데 군요야 다 상마 군요야 다 이네 아주데 nen가르부데 가르차데도 쓰나 가두이네 지디 가수에 지 랑렌이야 바 개야데 개접시 차데도 다디 랑렌을 깨사데 칸 말라버는 실레라부터 저도 여 말다 드네 인두스탄에 땅아주 지 남균기 미지나로레 니머리 미지나로레야 가다가 소소소 지 샌데브르 체체 니머리 지 미지리나 레슨 somar 로정으로 렌체 아니 가수지 소소소리야 구자당 거야데 시작해 좀 그러자 나랑 원에냐 지 어르데 데마션 저도야 구자당 거야데 시작해 좀 그러자 구자 is 구자 맞아 사고까지 구자 맞아 you know yeah 맞아 it's 구자 means push yourself 땅이네 들려야 아니 지 가르쳐다 참니지 어르는 대바시에 한번 줬다 나서 직신신
All of us have heard about loving kindness and compassion, and we understand what these principles are. But the key point is actually bringing those into practice, actually putting them into action in the same way that we understand them, in the same way that we talk about them. That's not so easy, but it's the most important point. So it's most important for us to really make loving kindness and compassion our study, to teach ourselves lessons of loving kindness and compassion in our day-to-day lives, to make these realities clearer and clearer in our day-to-day lives, and to really spur ourselves on toward making more manifest these qualities of loving kindness and compassion.
接着的这个告诉的这参与下来这甚至先给电话的动业里啊就团拿切过来的但给帮俺们这些米呢甚至先给电话的动业团拿下来啊甚至先给地图告诉这多下来啊的 limitation 是不是测试有不是这 그래서 그 information 니즈도 상물로 팅산는시 니즈베 가서 정보든데다 니즈 망보 니즈 세버든데 요 말에 다 간다지 망체도 매바란체 지 심지 담제 지 가서 또 동해가 나로래야 내야래 지 동해를 전도 요아래 내가 톰도 요아래서 알지 지금 니지 가서다 지 고아를 지겹체 삼다 마도베 무슨 심지 생기 심지 동해가 나타 대외 풍루 간제래도 이 또할 디스칼라 가버스 또아 다진상 점링 돌이야 인터넷 요아래 TV 요아래 나나신 아저 가르쳐 메신 가르쳐 대 인포메이션 니즈 망고지 요아래 디즈 토안에 심지 동해기 너로 대외 풍루 간제 메디디 에베 무슨 스텝 라트 체토야지 이미 인두산에 다 information le message excuse chess 시라메로다
라서
다 배차샤비미나 다 능균디 시가다 아주 점링디 토래야 다 베는지 둔줄라서베지 선제 둔줄이 망보지 아주 카세의 체도 거절이야데 지 소자라서베데 나주 망보니 단디야래 다 디가 주상 하고 그러다 不是那就看真用的有，俺这说嘞，都上看这等个有，都不看这等有，什么哈过了。俺那呢，哈过要的的，伊呢，哈过嘛过，开把起来没得别说去。
那啥，
但他们木头机说是 behavior 的呢，几不是切，俺这就看说这都啥呢？哈过的嘛过，开把起来没得别说差多啊。
那啥。
양 텔레 빼지 디스 세버지 거비미나 근데 지금 타마테야 소체비나
라서
이 타마테야디 호라 디리스도 나도 타마 나 변이지 렌드사 게임을 시작라 다 변이지 변이지사네 당 같이당 미규만 인도 저러 봐
라서
타마텐 거 연도도 잘다
라서
타마 금중 가셔야지 아디 가르자디 도규나로 주샤
라서
안데 랑간 정해졌어. 냠도 정해졌어. 저랑 타마팅 게 임에서 하지 봐. 금중들이 땡땡서 하죠.
라서
제가 지금 타마팅 게 운동들이 자체 오늘 저는 타마 금중들이 근데 디랑 가르치 수 있다 하고 말해.
라서
이내 미술 냥 와시 봐 타마팅 게 디데 갈라고도. 어다 타마 금중 고랑 간이야 베 가서 smoking killer. smoking killer 사가세.
라서
타마의 템이나 아니베 가서 녀바 간제여바 나서 간제 연구여바 녀가 간제여바 정말로베 타마 금중고랑가 지셔레스
라서
안 가셔 타마 금중 타마 가셔 나는 베 가서디 파르치다 자셔레스
라서
타마 테는 디디 쳐레스 또 이네 미즈 타마 탱겐게 모두 텐데 야래
라서
거다 이게 베 가서다 지금 아주 부백기서 까 풍구스 사야
라서
가가가가르바
나
풍구즈 지시에네 딱고 텐데 오르다 제가 되고라 타마데 년가 유에서 고랑 양베 타마데 총야기 advertising 더 차체 가르쳐야지 뉴스야 기지 소리 차 딱한데 제가 알아 제가 information 상황 요아래 얘네 we still can't change our behavior
라서
드링 인도스 딱 가르쳐래 information maybe 균선 때네 제스 라빈 다디 excuse라 맵 다 조조디 버지지 자외디 아주 직semne motivation sena dando azu zawe gi kunjue da ta kunjue tian an tusero de za kunlong to yong yo re ne kunlong gyo da de ge jum shu cha de yo ne kunlong gyo ma da mi ne kunjue lin gyo zho ma ne kunjue lin gyo ma jin bi na ane chowa su su lifestyle de gyo zho ma ne de gyo ma jin bi na ane zombu lin shibu khora ane mutu je be ka shu da ji 년도 drama sambu chole ya again rati this kala khamenos
Of course, the root of loving kindness and compassion is paying attention and being aware of the happiness of sentient beings and how they want to enjoy happiness, and the suffering of sentient beings, and how beings want to be free of suffering. And in the past, this awareness was cultivated mainly by using the imagination, because there wasn't a lot of information available about the experiences of sentient beings in the world. So people just had a general understanding that sentient beings go through a lot of ups and downs. They desire happiness, but they experience a lot of suffering. But today, things are very different. We have internet, TV, and other media that enable us to very clearly be aware of what kinds of joys and sorrows sentient beings have, what kinds of happiness that sentient beings long for and sometimes enjoy, and also the tremendous hardships that sentient beings experience. And we know this about all different kinds of sentient beings in many different areas and in many different classes of sentient beings due to modern information technology. So really there's no excuse for us not to be aware of the joys and sorrows of sentient beings as a basis for a loving kindness and compassion practice. One example of this is the treatment of animals who are kept for slaughter to be turned into meat for consumption by humans. Due to the technology of this information age, we all know, basically, very clearly, what kinds of sufferings these animals experience, what kind of torture they're subject to, and other forms of mistreatment. Even though we know that this is the way in which beings who are slaughtered for meat are treated, it still doesn't change our behavior in any way. So it's as if there's no difference. When it comes to our behavior, it's as if there's no difference between knowing how these animals are treated and not knowing how they are treated. Another example is that of cigarettes. Now, I've never smoked cigarettes, but it's kind of funny because when I was escaping Tibet, I had to pretend to be just like an ordinary person. So I was given a box of cigarettes, so that the plan was that that would help me kind of look more normal. And I would sometimes pull a box of cigarettes out of my pockets and say, "Hey, you want to smoke?" So that I would appear to be a normal person. But people who I know who smoke cigarettes tell me that they have difficulties quitting smoking, even though it's screamingly obvious how harmful smoking is. There's warnings in big letters on the boxes of cigarettes about exactly which types of diseases you can get if you smoke, and they even have pictures these days of what happens to your lungs through prolonged smoking and so forth. But some people I know have said even though these warnings are present and it's extremely clear in big, bold letters how harmful smoking is, still, for some reason, that doesn't change their behavior. It doesn't change the way we behave. So this is a really key point of allowing our knowledge to change our motivation. If we want to change our behavior, we have to change our motivation, because the root of behavior or conduct is our motivation. Without changing our motivation, our conduct can't change. And without changing our conduct, our lifestyle won't change. And if we don't change our lifestyle, it's very difficult to see how the world will get any better. Because without changing our lifestyle, it's pretty clear that the world will just get worse and worse.
这张如果要的那就 serious 什么呢？I'm quite serious. Looks, but I'm actually not so serious. 两个词都是那serious 的要么的。
Lasso?
It looks serious. 但是呢，刚才 serious 看出来是被归拢被 serious quoi. Decision, serious decision.
Lasso?
过下的，给什么其他的？本等于写的心，但我说这个确切是啥的？刚才这什么难落里啊？这看出永远都是当下，什么里啊？被两个切住去。
Lasso?
但这不都这什么的？我看出来这，木头呢？这可能宽把卡的也比呢，提网都把当下嘛多呗。这里米色过来啊，少去一点，然后过来啊，那这油啊当，这里吃个么了吧？
Lasso?
但是呢，我就看出 practitioners 那啥都 spiritual practitioners 那都啥呢？我就原本什么的宽边网都没当去，什么的了，那给是啥不写去？那刚才被追读去。
Lasso?
那这看出来的这所谓加过来这当，身体切过来的，这开什么啥的啥？这马上比那的你们这里这看出拉面土鸡这什么的油碗多的什么啥东西？那这油碗搞了好不啥的？
Lasso?
现在发现拉曼库兰搞了好不吃的？
Lasso?
拉曼库兰说是已经别赚钱了嘛多，那这看出这俺拉曼因什么跌点钱了？俺个什么看了人嘛的吧？
Lasso?
那现在拉曼库兰 serious 切过来了，俺这老马的嘴也 serious 切，那个看出来的是什么别切过来都吃了。
Lasso? People often say that I'm serious, but I'm not really all that serious. When I actually go about doing things, I'm not so serious, but I look serious. But I think it is important to be serious when we're working with our motivation and when we're making basic decisions about the type of person that we want to be. I think this is really the key point of Dharma overall, is that we need to cause there to be a shift in our mind and the way that our mind works. We have to give our mind something new to do and not just allow our mind to follow its old, regular, habitual patterns. Rather than that, the practice of Dharma is about doing something new with our mind, making a fresh change with our mind. So for spiritual practitioners, rather than allowing our mind to just follow its own whims, our job is to learn how to talk to our mind in new ways, to give our mind new advice so that our mind can behave in new and different, more beneficial ways. If we don't take that fundamental approach to practicing the Dharma, then I think we're not going to have a great chance at any type of freedom or happiness if we just wait for the compassion of our guru to change our mind. We can't just sit there and do nothing new with our mind and then hope that our guru's compassion and blessings is somehow going to change our minds. That's not a beneficial approach for students, and it's not a beneficial approach for spiritual teachers either. Spiritual teachers have to take their motivation and activity seriously. They also can't simply rely on the fact that they're a spiritual teacher in order for there to be progress and benefit.
가져다 지 쿠란들이야 샘들 샘들이 소수에기 가서지 원 가서 원규를 채하잖아. 컨트롤을 채하도 되고 there lots of 가서 step by step. 다 간다 저 소수 셈리야 원규 채 셈그 칼로디 소수 라완도 아니 귀야랴 지 구름을 지 진변로 거야지 가지 여래성도 당번지 소소리하다 통매 지 꿀롱 시제 꿀롱 지 고래 시제 꿀롱 지 여be 집이 평겨 말에 셈냐 탐제지 고래성도 탐제 여be 집이 평겨 말에 이 탐제디 에네베 무튜네지 가르소에 뭐 니주 토알이야 라랭 깨고도 민도 니메르리 나로리야 에 탐제 심베관에 에 지 가르소 융아 이송을 줘버대서 따다 조도 민도 이 템베기 매 소중 나 템베 소중 서마로 따지 그 템베기 가르소에다 그 그뒤네 딱지 시작해야지 템베 소매도这些关的开始不是哪人上，这张，这张给对军机了多少的？本呢，这张，好的，这是哪个文章？对军，本的这个当给学本的是这米来来吧，但就是俺打呢，就这么讲吧，就是说。간단한 고란수 시비지 가르쳐지 highly accomplished something 간다 방도 유인데 지 가르쳐 첨부 좋아돼 버리지 충분해 또 이내 가수 이내 지 저거 최바르 진스가 아래 냠내를 지하시가 아래 또 이내 고란수는 시 연구 미용와 나 고란수는 시 연구요 말해 이 미용이 좀 세나보디 과토데 야래 지전에 지 가소리야 고란소로 예번은 시 당화돼서 매버려서 대디스 갈아가버래 간다지 라마코마데스 다 고란소로 예배지 당화되게 돼 성로 안주 진주로마 소리야 당화배 차상 안 사실 매버 사실은 좀 매버 체제 무튜니지 마 나야래 당화도 찾아야 하다. 고난 소리 버지 대래 나도 당화지 아유는 성도. 그러봐. 따이네 당화디 예배 버지 펜스만해. 왜 잠사지 당화서야 돼? 야나 배설을 류인데도 배설을 류네. 나 지지 당화서 비나 야랬다. 세야지 부디 준주를 시키게 와제. 난 디나 야랬어 알아 차. 야면 당화서야 돼 고알 류니. 드레레 마신 가요 말았다. 드레레 빈레레스 제고 드시베 롱바가 야야지. 다 롱바 하선다. 드시 롱바 망보자. 야 참참데 야 당화디 야 참사지 고알에다 냠 상즈를 라렌 따리 용주사래. 라렌 또 스타. 제가 스타. 아니 야 모두 따르마도 준주고 만담치 닝주고 만담치 아직 다 시다시 민도스다 배수 시비체인데 엔다 시다시 가서다 주어스게 로민도스 다 딘데 진사레스 랍제고 요샹게 되지 좀 봐 제가 당화 예배 집에 평균민도 당화의 냠소 마나비나 다 간다지 배들지 그러 봐 배가는 정가나로 치미나 정가나로 클래스도 메뉴 디스케일로 칼라 세토도 키티 토드 야 다시 로샤나 저거 얘기면 거 야다 지도지 토드 야 다시 로샤나 저거 얘기만 해 벤지미 제거 토드 시송지 칼라 아제 사고로 마도 데 마세제 엔 토드 야 다시 로샤 데르지도 선배 곰겹제 모모 예베 미버데 안 비자 예베 미버데 다지 서게 미버된 지 제대네 용문도 와 아주 바지 최디 소시가 든든들 미버를 때 든든들 제제 무슨 라렌 토는 게요 말해 든든 가라 갑시다 든든 내라부터 시도야 봐 칼라 마세 봐 칼라 저거 얘기면 와 다나시 최냠내 써야 돼 냠내 마세 봐라요 아 그 지기 최게 지 가르쳐야 돼 펜더 영화도 가라 갑시다 깔라카보 임베 맞지 연구 말했다 다 제장 저거다
라 깔라카보 연구 말.
연구 말했다 깔라카보 연구 말했는데 그거 말다
레레레.
양디야 펜도 연구 말했어
라.
펜도 연구 말했어 no benefit
라레. In order to gain control over our mind and really take our seat behind the steering wheel of our mind, we need to engage in a step-by-step process of training. The first step is to work with our basic motivation and transform that. But having transformed our basic motivation is not enough in itself. We then must translate that into commitment. Having a commitment, in turn, is not enough in itself. We have to translate that commitment into actual, tangible practice. Whether or not we evince the qualities, the positive qualities in our body, speech, and mind depends on whether we can do this. And so, putting our commitment into actual practice requires us to rely on the quality of mindfulness. We need to set up the watch person of mindfulness. And with this mindfulness, we continually examine our behavior and our basic state of body, speech, and mind. We can look back to the examples of great masters like Milarepa, the Lord of Yogis, and the glorious Dusum Khenpa, and obviously these were highly accomplished masters. They had achieved a very high degree of developing the qualities of freedom and realization. So this leads us to a very interesting question, which is, why haven't we been able to achieve the same results? Why haven't we been able to achieve the same accomplishments? Is it because we are lacking in the same Dharma instructions that they had? I don't think that's the case, because the work of these individuals has been to preserve the instructions of their lineages in an unbroken manner to the present day. So we have with us today all of the special instructions that these masters of the past relied upon. We have access to the instructions in a complete way, in a way in which nothing is missing and nothing extra has been added. So the problem is not with access to the instructions. The problem is that sometimes we leave our instructions in the books, and the instructions themselves rot in the pages of our books. Or sometimes we actually internalize the instructions to the degree that we intellectually understand them, but we're still not joining them with our experience. So we can read the instructions and become familiar with them to the point where we can fill a whole valley with explaining the intellectual meaning of these instructions, but it's still not transforming any quality of our experience. Then sometimes we bring the instructions into our experience and apply them to our lives a little bit, but we turn our diligence off halfway down the road. So we really don't follow the instructions through in the way in which they were intended. So all of this is to say that just having the oral instructions or spiritual instructions isn't enough in and of itself if we don't truly and fully bring them into our experience. One example that can illustrate this is that of going into a restaurant and looking at the menu. You can read the menu up and down, and even to the point where you've memorized the whole thing. You know its contents completely clearly, but that still isn't going to fill your stomach. It's not going to satisfy your hunger. In the same way, you can meditate upon the contents of the menu intensely, visualizing momos that are on offer or visualizing the pizza that is listed there. But that's still not going to satisfy your hunger. Our relationship to the Dharma is just like that. We can understand the spiritual instructions that are given. We can experience little bits of the spiritual instructions that are given. But the only thing that's really going to affect a change by relating to the Dharma is if we bring the Dharma fully into our experience and follow it through.
주주디 버지 다다를 토이면 이네 측지 시행초시. 맞지? 아주 베베 측지 있어야 돼. 측 망부 잘한다.
라레.
디 제가 녀들이 가르치는 중요하잖아. 무구 devotion 사를 시행도 중요.
라서.
devotion 미주 가셔야지 가셔야지. 라마레베 구구심 좀 잘해.
라.
난 베벨로스 드려 잘. 다디 아야만은 지 가르쳐지 라메 가르쳐내 년고 예배 소리. 그래들 이네 디스 무구사디 오늘은 actual meaning 디 바지라 하고 매배 소리.
Action.
I wonder.
No.
Actual meaning.
라서.
I don't know if they know or not.
라서.
야 가시스탄 지 라메 가시라 대 년고레스.
라서.
가시지스나 라마르베 가르쳐 가르 90점 버시 지하고 그랬어 소리지. 이네 devotion 사데 라말라 90차라 하즈지 삼로 땅아지 조지 소수기 responsibility 겐쿠 삼십지 아르디나 띵아주 시라라 지금도 베나베 차샤위나 밀레레베 차샤위나 밀레레베 답 투게브리서 답 블랙 매직
라서.
미술 상하세 아주 니나노래 버지 미세용에 자유기 말거든. 미세스 유자는데 내라버지 말봐.
라서.
대고 미술주 상하세요 그러다. 대고 intentionally 말거든. intentionally 말봐.
라레.
intentionally.
Intentionally.
그 체동 안에 세요. 마도 세 쇼와도 이렇게 말봐. 체동 안에 미술 상하세요. 미술 상하세요 사는 다 세버들은 겨봐요. 겨샤. 가서지. 겨봐 참 못해.
라서.
땅 아주르 지는 미술 상사나다 가서 되지 아주 다 미술 상사브레 미술 상사네 아니다 겨봐 참 쉽지 총거래 다 겨봐 참 쉽지 총 안다가다지 니거지 다 남아도 지금 민도스다 간다지 초지는 지 소소 예송을 농야들의 시험하고 저봐 소소 예송을 누구를 싸면 직업들의 요해봐 뒤토를 단동이네 또 미시로 미시다 세셔봐 가르쳐 최소 자신 못해 초셔봐 이 델리아베 셈리아 가르쳐리 배 농교에 참고지 용으로 봐
라서.
근데 이제 딱 간다리한테 배지 매번 쉬워지 제가 온도 삼으러지 나 내지 용으로 봐 근데 이제 사는 무구에서 아주 배배게래야 möte kuisaru nidoa
라서.
möse du sa는 버지 longing longing 됩세
라서.
다 간다 가서 셈리야 아니 가서다 디바데베 시워 채고도 삼바르지다 디바데 다하게 당하지 라고도 사베 mö바 베 가서다 mö바 슉 차고 싶지 다가지 mö바 제가 아주 곰기하셔 많이 봐 매바 쯤만 봐. 닝 띵니 매바 차고 듣는지. 당에 노르송 예 추 간직마송 미tom나 드리세서 미 세소린 다지버리 초소 지금 마소 삼백이 아니 가서도 셈리야 일단 유동 작업 싶지 제 유동 작업 제비인데 다 근데 지금 여바대 바지 사배하러 지다 아니 시작바 장 지금 시작종 제할이야 당화지 고도 될래야 아니 지금 당화디 아니 라마 마르발마도 신달 민도 삼바르 지들이 지금 가서 지금 롱깅 싶지 제
라서
다들 그유스도 사네 다 아주 디 faith and 그바다 faith 디스케바도 와
라우
faith 스두산다 대바스도 산 조지 삼르로 지와 삼르 더 기치 에 그유스도 삼 사네 아니 다 간다 more active
라서
베나 에 베나 마르베 밀레레버리아네 베 카르망보 카르신 주네 아니 베는 지금 당부 카르 주시다 지금 동보다 망고 신주로 봐 산타만데 생각하고도 신주로 봐 다들 인도산 되게 들리야베 라메 강송비네야 들리야베 가서 때 가신 주니
라서
다 가신 주세야디 어디 제사 가신 주체 드가스지 접수 채워서지 뭐인바 라메 가르송비네야 디 소수베 라렌단 more active
라서
다 근데 좀 대발래 사가르지도 봐 다 근데 그렇지 다 근데 그렇지 자상 중부인 아니 신의 무기사지 호서라 봐 나가도 돼 매바다
라서
다 배는 가서 지금 게 미니세메 아니 다지 눈 가르쳐다 지 최전에 디댕게르지 맞에는 디댕게르지 이나 밀레레벌 딘적미도 와 최맞은 적미도 와
라서
거 가르쳐 그 논주 첨부 제브레 그래서 최 맞에는 드가 매버지 고랑 쇠 차비 인도산은 안다 맞에는 적미도 선선으로 지다 디 제알이야베 랑거 고송게 베 뉴버지도 뿡버와 아주 딘데 매야데 아니 최전에 디 맞에는 디 안다 제사 아주 때 무구이사 모티베이션 등의 민도스 안다도 무구이스도 사는 아주 참사 지 라마를 접셔서 네 라마다 텔레 슈체를 다 가다지 소수용면에 겐쿠야 상로로 지다 소수용면에 지 랑 가르쳐야 될이야 간다지 소수용면에 문진 세부 예배 톤 드리지 그 톤에 는 좋아야지 마도베 지 가서 그거 심심히 해야 돼 지보를 인기 말해서
라서
나도 하라니 다 망고시면 처음에도 다
라서 So we've come to the exact point of concluding this morning's session, but I thought that I would like to also say a few words about the principle of devotion.
다 significa
Oh, 라서
당기디가 퇴바지 가르기에서 가시에 사물이야 마르바드 very cruel
라서
미래에 누구 싶다
라서
다디 직진 사물 야구스 당으로 가서 이나 미래에 디버 쳐바다 내가 두자 쳐바다 아주 제스도와 마르베 엔 미래 누구 당바데 체
라서
미래 우마 두자 가르쳐야 돼 아주 제제
라오
안도 마르베 미래 두고 싶다는 도 선선으로 증거로 봐 오늘 제비나 배나 소소소소 드와르 줄래지 녜 엔 미순주 송아세 다데 블랙 매직으로 제지 미순 송아세 다 미순 송아세 블랙 매직 제디 팅은 로 말아봤다 블랙 매직 미세베사데 팅은 유기 말아봤다
라오
다들 인주산에 종간나를 도 용게 여 말에
라서
야 조라세 용게 여 말에 다 이내야 당연 드마소 상상지 용으로 봐
라서
다 드마소 상상 주는데 다 들려야지 드마소 상상 들려야지 가서 다지 수수 들려야지 다 이지길 간다 딘디마 상상 들려야지 카스브를 지다 안 들려야지 수수기 샤바를 채워 상상을 준 거로 봐
라서
드네 인도산에 다 밀레레베지 칼레지아데 충타면에 바지 충타면에 제다 자유게 말다 드네 인도 드네 직 삼당 거도 봐
라서
제마도 양 아주 양 섬서지 말바데 very cruel 더 통거로 봐
라서
이내 아주 다 드네 제제 수수수 주 삼당지 단 도나 지semle 나 dama pishita shenchu.
Lazo? So I wanted to say a few words about the principle of devotion. In Tibetan society, sometimes devotion has come to mean showing protocols of respect to the lamas. Sometimes devotion is also interpreted to mean just doing whatever the lamas tell you to do. But I think the real meaning of devotion is higher than that. I think the actual devotion is essentially being able to take responsibility for yourself and by yourself. Let's look at the example of Milarepa and how Milarepa entered the Dharma. As we know from Milarepa's life story, Milarepa used black magic to kill people, and he didn't just kill 1 or 2 people, he killed 35 people. Now, among the people in this room who are gathered here, probably none of us have ever killed another human being intentionally. However, this was 35 people, and it wasn't just an accident. Milarepa very proactively and intentionally set about to kill them and succeeded in killing them through the practice of black magic. And due to that, eventually, he came to feel a very strong and overwhelming feeling of remorse in his heart. And this led to an extremely strong desire in his mind to purify this negative action, or these negative actions that he had performed. He thought to himself, it's unacceptable for me not to purify this negative action. And the reasons for this were twofold. From his own perspective, he was clearly aware that killing sentient beings leads you to the lower realms, and so he was terrified of the suffering of the lower realms for himself, but also he was concerned about the others that he had killed. Not only does killing lead to the lower realms for oneself, but you also have taken away the very lives of others. So a great feeling of shame and remorse and regret and contrition arose in Milarepa, and he wanted to do something to correct this situation, to purify this situation, to make amends somehow. This led him to connect with devotion, which in Tibetan is a word called me-gu. Me, 2 syllables, me and gu. And me, the first syllable, means longing. In Milarepa's case, this meant the longing that he had to purify this heinous negative action that he had committed. It was a very genuine, strong, heartfelt desire that he had from the bottom of his heart to overcome and to purify or to make better the terrible things that he had done to others. He knew that he had made an extremely grave mistake, and he knew that things were not okay, that things weren't all good. And so, from the bottom of his heart, he gave rise to this longing to purify what he had done. And he knew that in order to purify what he had done, he would need to rely upon the spiritual instructions of a guru. That led him to connect with the second component of mugu, which is gupa. Literally, gupa means respect or faith, but here it goes deeper than that. Devotion is deeper than faith because faith is a quality that we have in our minds. It's a particular sensation or way of thinking that happens in our mind. But the gu of mugu is more active than that. And we all know the experiences that Milarepa went through with Marpa, where Marpa had him build 14 towers and put him through various hardships in other ways. And this basically is the quality of devotion that Milarepa relied on to accomplish those commands of his guru. So when we have devotion, we are in a state of readiness to take whatever the Guru says as our command and then accomplish that. So this is a very important principle. And this is what takes us beyond having mere faith. We can see, if we examine ourselves honestly, that we don't have devotion in the same way that Milarepa did. Our state is more like, it's good if we practice the Dharma, it's okay if we don't practice the Dharma. If we really examine our motivation, that's about the intensity of it. But in Milarepa's case, it was not like that. It was absolutely unacceptable for Milarepa to not purify his negative actions and to not practice the Dharma. So there was no question in his mind whatsoever that he would be practicing the Dharma, and he culled all of the energy that he had in body, speech, and mind and put that to work for one purpose, which was to practice the Dharma. And if we compare our devotion with that of Milarepa, we see that our devotion is not sufficient. Oftentimes we relate to the principle of devotion just in the manner of joining our hands and saying, I take refuge in the Guru. That's not true devotion. True devotion is taking genuine responsibility and for ourselves by recognizing the situation that we are in. And from this perspective, we can also see that it wasn't the case that Marpa was being very cruel to Milarepa. Marpa was providing Milarepa a means of purification for his negative action of killing 35 people. Often when people claim that Marpa was cruel, what's happening is that they're forgetting Milarepa. They're forgetting the fact that Milarepa killed 35 people, and they're only remembering the fact that Marpa put Milarepa through a hard time. But we have to remember both things. When we remember the hard times that Marpa put Milarepa through, we have to remember that that's in light of and in the context of Milarepa being someone who had killed 35 people intentionally. So we have to remember the full picture there before we decide that Marpa was necessarily being a cruel person to Milarepa. Because there's really no other way, other than the skillful actions of Marpa, for him to purify his negative actions. When you kill someone via black magic, it can't be proven in a court of law, so you can't be sent to jail. So Milarepa wouldn't have had a chance to make amends by going to jail. And there was not going to be anyone else coming to kill Milarepa because he killed all of the enemies of his family. So it was only through the kindness and skillful actions of Marpa that Milarepa had a chance to purify his negative actions and then accomplish the spiritual instructions of the Dharma. So it's important for us to keep this in mind.